go, man, for another. Let me know if those levels are good, guys, in terms of the audio. Welcome, BTC community, XRP community, crypto community, DLT community, Ethereum community, TRX community, ADA community, Monero community, all the communities out there. Guys, what is up? Welcome to another DLT crypto news and charts live stream. We got some movement going on with some of these cryptos. Kind of a little salt and pepper type of day. But the ones that are getting good gains are getting good gains, right? We'll check those out. In the past hour, Fusion doing things, Storage doing things, Silica doing things. Theta, man, at 76 cents. I think it was at 74 just yesterday. And VeChain looking to maybe make an impulse upwards. Not too good on the 24-hour there. Welcome, guys. Let's see who's in the chat. Lady Enigma, Illy Bang, RPM, Legendary. What's up, guys? Good to have you all in this stream. Your support means the world. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for smashing those likes on the way in. And thanks for just being cool. The Blue Crew. The Blue Crew in the chat, everyone. All right, guys. Let me give you guys a preview of the news we got going on for today. We got... Wait a second. There we go. We got merchants accepting Bitcoin payments are attracting more clients. Study shows regulated U.S. exchange Gemini now offers confidential Zcash withdrawals. How the crypto industry seesaws between assets and infrastructure. David Guetta secures deal with crypto-centered VR firm. IBMR launches Algorand-powered micro-equity exchange for financial inclusivity. Stripe leads $12 million funding round for Filipino startup PayMongo. And Qcoin hacker moves $4.5 million of stolen XRP. And the reason I chose this article as one of the last articles as well is just because I've always been asking on these live streams when we hear hackers stealing some crypto. You'll always hear about BTC, LTC, or ETH. And you'll never hear about them stealing any XRP. But now, yep, there we go. We got some stolen XRP that we can read about finally. I was just thinking, like, why don't hackers want XRP? Why do they only want BTC and Ethereum? But it turns out that's not the case, man. But let's look at the charts, guys. Let's jump over to XRP chart. I was looking at IOTA right here. With IOTA, it looks like it's facing that selling pressure. Got close to the target I was aiming for here, but it looks like it'll probably face the rejection here. Maybe we start getting some downward pressure towards 25 cents for IOTA in the short term. Let's jump over to XRP. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Good to see y'all. I hope you guys are having an awesome Tuesday. Tuesday night, Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, wherever you are in the world. Hope it's just going good. 5 likes already to start off the stream. Unreal. Last night, or in the DLT late night live stream, we usually get more likes on the daytime live stream, but we got 30 likes last night on that DLT late night live stream. Thank you all, man. Cheers. Got my Starbucks cup today. I like my own coffee, but nice to start my morning with y'all as always. Of course, Lady Enigma. Wishing you the best day. Hell yeah, guys. I find myself craving BLT sandwiches a lot since I started watching this channel. So that's the subliminal sign, right? I'm going to open up like a BLT sandwich place later on and it'll be called the DLTs. It'll be the DLT sandwich, right? But alright, we're looking at the XRP chart right here. Still happy that we got that bounce right here. We still got to face a major point of resistance that is historically been bearish right now, at least a couple of times. We broke through it once, crawled right back under it, now trying to break through. Looks like we're facing rejection here with XRP. Could see XRP come down to around 23.5, maybe at worst 22.86, and then we'll start talking to see if it maybe could be setting itself up to go back to the top of the channel again or break out. And then of course, if the bearish pressure is very strong, you'll probably notice a big like red candle that'll take us down to around 20 cents for XRP if it were to break down on the downside. So far the technicals look okay, or the indicators look okay. You got your MACD, some bearish pressure selling off. RSI looks okay. You're above the VWAP right over here with... No, you're actually below your VWAP, which could lead to more bearish pressure. Oscillators are saying it's a buy though, but a lot of the moving averages saying a strong sell. But as you can see, guys, even going back to, January 2020, this point of resistance will break out above it, and then it somehow just draws us back under, right? So we broke out above it right around here. Now it's drawing us back under. Let's see if we get the same fate, the same dreaded fate that we had on in between February 14th all the way up to March 16th. Is that what's in the cards for the coming months for XRP, or is it going to be make or break time, and is it send it time for XRP? Those are your options. That's what it kind of looks like to me. I still like the retracement level. I think it's still in the golden retrace zone. I think we still have a chance here. We're continuing from upward bullish momentum. We definitely regressed, or what's it called? Retraced a good amount, but we're still around that golden retrace zone, in my opinion. So let's see what ends up happening in the coming months for XRP. I think this is going to be one of the bigger decision makers to decide, you know, especially if it can break past 32 cents. I mean, we still got to get to 32 cents. So I'm not going to try to hype this breakout too much. But it definitely would get me more excited about the coming months and going into December if we do get a breakout towards the upside. You know, we're looking at it on the daily here, and I think like the next time you would probably see some upside for XRP would probably be around November or December, kind of similar to 2017 when it happened, man. So maybe we can creep our way back up, but you know, XRP, it kind of does its own thing. So if we get a fat green candle, I won't be surprised. I mean, look at what happened around July, right? It just was consecutive green days, looking super bullish. So maybe that's what's going to happen here on this breakout. We'll have to wait and see. What's up, y'all? Guys, 10 viewers, 8 likes already. I best roll another for you guys. Exactly, RPM. XRP Bags in the house. What's up, dude? Good to have y'all here. DLT sandwich. What is the D in the sandwich? That's the that's the secret sauce, Illybang. Everybody doing their morning wake and bake. Cheers to y'all. Tales from the crypto. What's up, dude? Tales from the crypto hitting a fat blunt the other day, man. Crazy stuff. But anyways, let's go to our first piece of news, you guys. Merchants accepting Bitcoin payments are attracting more clients. Many people have argued that Bitcoin payments will have a difficult time scaling to the masses. I certainly think so as well. Merchant adoption is a popular topic as critics believe that a majority of merchants will never support crypto payments due to volatility and other fundamental risks. In a world where payments are going digital, studies are showing that merchants who accept Bitcoin payments are seeing significant growth in sales and new customers. Bitcoin payment study, BitPay, the world's largest Bitcoin payment service provider, recently shared a study that outlines how merchants are actually benefiting from accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I'm sure XRP being a big one. A leading research and advisory outlet by the name of Forrester Consulting has sourced data based on interviews with 4 different merchants in an environment where the situation we're in has altered consumer behavior. What type of advantages are these merchants seeing by incorporating Bitcoin payments into their digital infrastructure? The total economic impact... sorry guys, it's the morning. Let me get a sip of coffee. What's up, y'all? Tales from the crypto, man. What's up, dude? Alrighty, so BitPay, the world's largest Bitcoin payment service provider. There we go. So the study conducted by Forrester Consulting focused on Bitcoin payments and how BitPay is driving adoption. It is important to note that BitPay helps merchants and businesses diversify their payment avenues. By helping these entities accept cryptocurrencies, BitPay eliminates volatility risk and offers a structure where companies can reduce their costs and become borderless overnight. So which one's what's a company that is solving cross-border payments, I wonder? Bridging siloed forms of fiat digital currencies, right? Based on customer data from 4 different merchants, it was quite evident that merchants accepting Bitcoin payments are scaling into new horizons. Studies show that around 40% of customers using cryptocurrencies are first-time customers. This is attractive in a digital economy because it shows companies that significant market share is still available to capture. Compared to customers paying with credit cards, purchased amounts in cryptocurrencies were double the amount. Lastly, aside from aside from there being no fraud-related chargebacks, merchants are also discovered that accepting cryptocurrency is actually more cost-efficient than traditional credit cards. Benefits to merchants. Based on the findings above, the study for Forrester concluded that merchants can benefit in following ways from accepting cryptocurrency payments: generating additional revenue by occupying first-time customers that can transition into long-term revenue streams. These new first-time customers prefer to use digital assets over traditional payment protocols. Increased transaction size since customers paying in crypto and to purchase double the amount compared to traditional credit card users. Increased profitability as companies accepting crypto payments were paying much less in transactional costs. Even though companies would pay a small transaction fee to BitPay, this was a fraction of what they were paying on credit card transactions. In addition to the benefits above, one of the most intriguing metrics in the study were the company's return on investment. When merchants added support for crypto payments, their ROI reportedly went up by 327%. In an environment where many businesses are struggling to stay afloat, offering support for crypto payments could provide stability. We believe that Forrester's study confirms we've known for some time now. Accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through BitPay saves merchants considerably on fees and unlocks a whole new customer base. And most certainly, guys, I mean, this is great news. Just more and more crypto adoption on the daily, and the more merchants that are accepting, the more businesses in general are starting to use digital assets or cryptocurrencies. I mean, we need that regulatory clarity first, and I would imagine for businesses that want to be, I'm not saying BitPay isn't a legitimate business, or the merchants that are using BitPay for transactions aren't legitimate businesses, but what I'm saying is we need that. It's a given that we need that regulatory clarity for more businesses to feel more confident about using digital assets and cryptocurrencies and adopting that in their business. And what have we talked about on this channel, man? You use XRP, you use that fastest digital asset that can make your payment transfers instant with the information that you need in it as well. The data and the value can be sent instantly and settled instantly. And the person who's receiving that value is going to know what they're receiving beforehand, and they're going to get exactly what they intend to receive. And that's going to make business just continue to grow, right? People are going to continue to make more money. I mean, right here is a small example, but 327%. And that's even in an unregulated crypto environment right here. Their ROI reportedly went up by 327%. Just imagine when the mass adoption phase comes in, how crazy the economy is going to boom from this new global financial system that we're going to be going into, this globalization era. The next level for the internet. Crazy stuff, man. Well, let's jump over to Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing today. Let's check out the chat. How's everybody doing? What's up, y'all? Guys, 8 likes, 10 viewers. That's how we do. Johnny Morales in the house. What's up, Johnny Morales? How's it going, guys? Grab a drink, grab a smoke, grab some food, grab a lover, grab a chair, grab something. Because we're going to be going to the moon, man. Get yourself strapped, buckle up. Give me those cones. Legendary, what's up, guys? How y'all doing? Alright, so we're looking at BTC. As expected, we got a little bit of a red day that followed. Selling pressure came in strong around yesterday. We were trying to get there. We hit about the 78.6 retracement level, super deep retrace, but the buyers brought it back up to the 61.8. I guess we could, what would be okay to retrace to would be around 10,572, and then hopefully it bounces back up from there. If it doesn't, then you're probably going to go down to 10,230, then maybe even 10,000 alone, and you don't want that bearish pressure to just drag it all the way down. But very likely we could bounce at around 10,267 if it's a full retrace. Halfway there would be 10,550. Johnny Morales, not much, man. Hanging out with y'all, hanging out with the Blue Crew, educating each other, setting ourselves up for future success, without a doubt. Guys, thanks for your support, man. We're trying to get to 2K subscribers by the end of October. That's going to be quite the mountain to climb, especially the way that this channel is. But you know what? We're bullish enough. We're committed enough. We got the Blue Crew behind our back here, supporting us. Thank you guys so much, man. Let's make it happen. End of October. Let's do it. So, your indicators, MACD, looking like there's some bearish pressure building up. RSI, sort of similar right there. Technicals are saying it's a buy. Buy across all accounts. 200 SMA, EMA, and SMA, and the 100-day EMA and SMA saying it's a buy. Maybe we do get our bounce right here. There is a point of, I mean, it looks like we got some strong support around this area at around 10,160. We already touched it again, created a higher low. Now let's get another higher low, right? Let's keep building those higher lows. Let's not retrace fully from this recent impulse that we've just had for BTC. Still not out of the woods just yet, though. I don't think so. All right. Second piece of news. Cheers, y'all. Regulated U.S. exchange Gemini now offers confidential Zcash withdrawals. Gemini, one of a handful of cryptocurrency exchanges regulated in New York, has said users can now withdraw privacy coin Zcash confidentially. The New York-based exchange said in a blog post Tuesday it had added shielded Zcash withdrawals, meaning users can take assets off the platform without disclosing their identities or the size of their transactions. The addition comes after Gemini received approval from the New York Department of Financial Services. Approval? What? The exchange claims it's the first time shielded Zcash transactions have ever been supported on a regulated exchange. With the right controls in place and the proper education, regulators can get comfortable with privacy-enabling cryptos. This announcement demonstrates that Zcash is compatible with a robust AML-CFT regulatory regime. Head of regulatory relations at the cryptocurrency's lead developer Electric Coin Company said in a statement referring to anti-money laundering combating the financing of terrorism. Gemini, which only supports 24 digital assets, first listed Zcash back in 2018, has been registered under a limited purpose trust charter which authorizes it to perform certain bank-like functions since 2015. Although users have been able to deposit Zcash into Gemini with the Shield feature, they have previously been forced to turn off privacy settings in order to withdraw assets from the platform. A Gemini spokesperson declined to provide further comment, pointing CoinDesk instead back to its blog post. Last year, several exchanges dropped Zcash and other privacy coins, citing regulatory compliance and concerns over money laundering. There is something very interesting with Zcash, though, because this Electric Coin Company, I think right here, let me see. Electric Coin Company. So let's check them out for a quick second. Okay, so I think this is, yeah. So this came out in 2019. Ripple's Spring Initiative and firm behind Zcash among investors in privacy-focused crypto startup. The Electric Coin Company, what we just read about, and Decrypt Capital are investing in a startup that aims to make crypto payments quicker, less expensive, and more private. Spring Initiative also among them. Ripple's fundraising arm Spring announced in a blog post on April 17th that it has joined several companies to invest in Bolt Labs, a startup aiming to deliver instant, cheap, and private payments by adding a layer of anonymity to existing networks. So the CEO of Electric Coin Company, the firm behind Zcash, confirmed to Forbes that this company, or his company, also contributed to Bolt Labs' seed round. Wilcox also has been appointed as an advisor to the startup. While Bolt Labs said second-layered blockchain protocols such as the Lightning Network have achieved remarkable growth, the startup said Lightning's payment channels are not private by default, meaning information about PEs can be leaked. According to the startup's website, its technology will enable payments to be made by users anonymously. Bolt Labs adds that its privacy protections rely on zero-knowledge proofs based on the research of leading scientists and cryptographers. So Bolt Labs believes that its approach will make it easier for everyday payments and purchases to be made using Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Zcash. Zcash is among a series of so-called privacy coins which aim to deliver greater levels of anonymity to users. So that's where I remember reading about, obviously Electric Coin Company is the firm behind Zcash, but I remember there being this collaboration on Bolt Labs, and I wonder how Bolt Labs is doing. This is in 2019. So maybe let's check out what Bolt Labs is up to. Let's see if we can go to this website right here. Instant and private payments. No XRP on here, even though Spring Initiative is involved with it. So you can use Zcash, Bitcoin, Tezos, and other digital currencies for everyday payments and purchases. A lot of Zcash, and there's Spring. Out of nowhere, Spring's just right there, right? Very interesting. Let me see what this is right here. Access Ventures. But yeah, interesting to not see XRP there though. But you got Zcash, Bitcoin, and Tezos definitely supported on Bolt Labs. But the Spring Initiative being involved here. What else do we got? Sorry for this little side tangent here, guys. Just want to understand a little bit more about Bolt Labs. Alright, a lot of young people. Looks like you got some good advisors. But yeah, guys, is this involved with what Zcash is doing with Gemini? Right? Allowing for more private payments. And it's great that XRP is jumping on that. And imagine being able to make private XRP payments where at least your data and your information still belongs to you. Your identity still belongs to you, even though you're making the payment. Blunt, a BLT, and an OJ breakfast of champions. Tales from the crypto, dude. That sounds like a good time right there, man. Buy it on exchange, and AML ties you to each fraction of the coin. Exactly, RPM. So either way, it's traceable. It's the illusion of privacy, right? At least certain parts of your data, I guess, like if somebody, you would have to be a heck of a computer, you would have to be very computer savvy to maybe be able to see the data of somebody else. By the way, guys, am I glitching out? Just let me know if I am. So yeah, Tales from the Crypto knows what's up. We are winning the lottery in slow motion. Exactly. Shout out to DM Logic, man. One of the first people I remember hearing say that. But alright, let's check out a crypto, guys. Let's go to Tezos. Appreciate you all being here. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, so, whoa, we're halfway there. Oh, we're living on a prayer in terms of Tezos. The MACD looks pretty good. The RSI doesn't look too bad. I do still expect some more retracement, probably down to around 213, 210, somewhere around there. Then maybe we get our bounce back up to 246, and hopefully we can eventually climb to $3 in time for Tezos. And hell, man, if it gets there, we're talking about maybe a $5 Tezos in the making. 450. Okay, it was a quick glitch out, but you're back. For sure, Johnny Morales. Appreciate that. Alright. So yeah, with Tezos, the technicals saying it's a sell. Buy on the oscillators, though. On the MACD and the momentum. Everything else, man, except for the simple moving saying it's a buy. Or everything else is saying it's a sell. I do expect some selling pressure to come. Let me see where the VWAP's at. Yeah, we're pretty below the VWAP as well. I think the lowest we should be, as barring if there's a full retracement. If there's a full retracement, then maybe 193 is the target for a full retracement, but halfway there would be about 210. Let's bounce towards the upside and go to 250 from here. What we want to see is like that climb up, right? We want to see it continuing to climb. Let's get that ascending channel going on for Tezos. Let's get some big green days to eat up all the selling pressure that we've had in the past month or so. Crazy stuff, man. Who would have thought, man? I remember August and July, dude. Those were great months in terms of crypto right now. Right now, it's just the consolidation and working our way up. Here, let me check my phone. Maybe my phone's it's got the internet on it. That's why I'm glitching out here. Alright, should be good now. Give me a second, guys. RPM been getting some sinister CV. Oh, no way, man. RPM, where are you at? Over in, where are you at exactly? Where do you reside, my friend? I mean, if it's coming through all right for you guys, then we're good. Harley Holdler, what's up, my dude? How you doing, man? Good to see you guys. All right, let's go to our next piece of news. How the crypto industry seesaws between assets and infrastructures. Pretty funny, little thing. There was Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin, a new asset was invented. And with that new asset, that way we interact with capital was redefined. Bitcoin achieved both of these things. It created a new form of money, one that needs neither central banks nor collateralization. Okay. It also created a new model for ownership, trading, and transacting. Got it. With Bitcoin, there was born a new industry, the cryptocurrency space, the blockchain world. Okay, enough of the fluff, enough of the foreplay. Let's get to it. Joe Carlson, a CoinDesk columnist, is co-founder of the Open Money Initiative, a nonprofit research organization working to guarantee the right to a free and open financial system. She is also an investor in early-stage startups with slow ventures. The fact that Bitcoin marked the invention of both a new asset and new infrastructure has been long a source of confusion and has resulted in the conflation of the two. It's time we started noting the difference. The industry, while rarely recognizing it, has pivoted back and forth over the years between prioritizing creation of new assets and prioritizing the building of a new infrastructure. The period from 2013 to 2015 saw the emergence of altcoins like Zcash, Monero, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and a multitude of others. They represented new assets. Some of these new assets also offered user fundamentally new ways of interacting with their assets and with each other, privacy and programmability. For example, others did not offer much that was new at all besides branding. The cryptocurrency universe was left holding many bags it wasn't quite sure what to do with. Okay, so it seems like we're getting a history lesson through this article right now. Tiring of this slog, the collective attention of investors and operators returned to new assets. Okay, more history, more history. Before long, and perhaps sooner than I anticipate, we will see this pendulum interest swing back from infrastructure to innovation around assets themselves. This experimentation in decentralized finance has in many ways proven fruitful. People, albeit a limited number, for now are for the first time able to conduct two-way purely digital trades while relying on centralized third parties to custody and escrow those assets to provide liquidity. The primary limitation of this new infrastructure lies in the fact that many of the assets that are compatible with it still do not represent fundamental, durable, long-term value. Indeed, we are already seeing this in the world of decentralized finance in moves like Uniswap or Infrastructure Project issuing a token. The persistent rise of community and governance tokens more generally represents a continued search for a way to issue decentralized assets imbued with fundamental value, renewed attention on non-fungible tokens, and the significant traction among certain primary artist-affiliated NFTs also indicates a swing back in the direction of emphasis on assets. The resurgence of conversations around initial country or currency offerings and central bank digital currencies also represents a possible direction for porting real-world value into the digital native universe of blockchains. I also suspect this exploration will drive interest back to Bitcoin, one of the few blockchain native assets that seems to have proven its value. Okay, so a little bit more of a history lesson here from Coinbase, but an observation nonetheless that we should be made aware of, or we should, not we, but good to bring it out there. That's what I'm trying to say. Seesawing back and forth between assets and infrastructure. I think we need to go back to the infrastructure. I think we need to continue with the infrastructure. I think we have enough assets out there, but people out there may disagree. But I think we need more ways of finding easier ways to onboard people onto the crypto space in general. How to get access to crypto. We need to make it easier. Without a doubt, there needs to be a much more easier way. It has to be as simple as even using your ATM when you deposit a check into your bank account. You can decide for that check to be converted into an XRP or a digital asset. Hopefully when we start having crypto and banks as one, and you're able to custody digital assets on your bank account, for example, or something like that. We need something that's familiar and yet different, right? That is almost fun to learn and do because of the convenience of it, right? And the fact that it's giving us what we want, which is we want alternative options. We want alternative currencies to hold. And we want to know it's okay to hold those, right? And use them. Yeah, Tales from the Crypto for sure. We definitely think 50-degree weather over here is cold as fuck. Yeah, dude. I mean, same thing with the Palm Desert or Palm Springs, man, over here in California, man. It'll get 100 at night, and you're just like, what the hell? But yeah, that's pretty close to Vegas, too. It's on the way. I've got to talk slow for you a lot. For you lot. CKJ missed a few of my words and meaning. I have to slow down and talk basic. It's funny. CKJ is funny, man. He has so many people commenting on it, dude. He just I can't imagine having that many viewers. That would be so crazy. I mean, obviously you slow down the chat, but trying to just interact with each and every one of them would be so tough. XRP number 1 in the house. What's up, man? No worries, dude. The party just started because you just came here, man. There you go. Guys, 9 likes already on the stream. Thank you guys so much for the support. Let's get into another crypto. Which one should it be, guys? I'm just going to go to Algo. Alright, so Algo. Not too bad, actually. Still looking pretty bullish. Man, it's quite the battle right here, though, between the bears and the bulls. Just spinning top after spinning top, man. But you are seeing that selling pressure coming in hard, man. It's hammering down right here. I think we could go back down maybe in the next day to 30 cents. And then hopefully that's where we get our bounce back up towards the upside, start going to 37. And hell, man, maybe if the dream can happen, 50 cents for Algo. And then even maybe a dollar Algo, 85-cent Algo. In the long term. We'll have to see, man. Let's hope that this doesn't fully retrace and suck it back down to trying to test that level of support, and maybe even, it could get ugly if it breaks past this long-term support. So far it's treated as support and bounced out and broke out of a long-term descending channel. So it gives me some hope for the future right here with Algo. let's just keep it up, and let's get a fat green candle in the coming days, this week. Why not? Right, guys? Alright. So a little bit of a silly piece of news we got here. David Guetta secures deal with crypto-centered VR platform. DJ David Guetta goes virtual. Is he still a thing? You got all like these old pop stars like super into crypto now, or old celebrities too. You got William Shatner into crypto. You got David Guetta in on it. You got Akon making his own crypto city. You got Madonna doing a Ripple commercial. Oh, by the way, I'm going to go on a little side tangent before we get into this David Guetta thing. I think Rihanna is joining the X Club, guys. You know how, I don't know if you guys know this, but let me show you Madonna first if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. I won't show you the commercial she did, but she's been Madam X now too. She likes the eye patch, same as David Schwartz. Joel Katz likes his eye patch as well, right? I don't know if he still wears the eye patch. I doubt it. Yeah, he used to wear an eye patch. Joel Katz used to wear an eye patch for sure. But Madame X for Madonna, right? So then check out this now with Rihanna. Madonna, Rihanna, the Annas. All the Annas want to join the X Club now. I don't even know how to... Oh, there we go. That's how you spell Rihanna. Okay. So there we go. Savage X Fenty. Savage X Fenty show. Check out this video. So Savage X Fenty by Rihanna. Face shield and all. There's the X, you guys. What's up with X? Why? What's? It's like they're almost subliminally trying to get us already into the X, right? All right, so it is a little bit, you know, it's more just visual hoopla. But nonetheless, October 2nd on Amazon, Savage X Fenty. So let's see. Let's look in Gematria just for fun, just to speculate, guys. I haven't even done this yet, so I'm not sure if anything's going to pop up. I just think it's interesting that her and Madonna are now part of the X Club, right? So let's see. Let's just type down Savage first. Let's see. See the future. Trust the plan. Okay. What else do we got here? December. Alright. Melania. Okay. So I'm guessing nothing too big right there just from the word savage, right? Not seeing anything here. XMR. Okay. XMR. Interesting. So let's see. Savage X Fenty. Never ending story. Okay. Yeah. There we go. There we go, dude. The whole thing. There we go, man. Skull and Bones. End of the world. XRP Phoenix. New currency. Illumination. And not even digitalization. There we go. So I didn't even search that yet before. I wasn't expecting to come across anything, but there you go, man. Once again, Rihanna joining the X Club. And Volume 2, XRP bags, man. I think Rihanna's a fan of XRP bags, man. Now she's starting to release volumes as well. She's like, dude, that's a genius idea, man. But yeah, guys, excuse that tangent, excuse that speculation. I know a lot of people don't like that kind of tinfoil hatty stuff. I get it. But I know some other people in the communities do, and I don't want to exclude them either, man. I'm open to talk about anything. If you guys have something you want to talk about, you know, you guys are already probably talking about it in the chat anyway. Oh, RPM, dude, the black eye stuff. Oh, another one with the red shoes. Wizard of Oz. I forgot about that. We were talking about the red shoes or the red feet, right? You want to see a crazy one? Lady Gaga released a new video. "911" music video. Directed by a fellow Arts Center College of Design alum, Tarzem Singh. He's a pretty cool filmmaker. I like him. Went to my school, but a lot of symbolist type of stuff here. So, vast desert, right? And look at that. Red feet, right? Right there. There's your red feet right here. Red toenails. And mind you, they probably shot all this before the situation we're in happened. So a little bit of reverse psychology here. You know, covering our eyes, but really we're covering our mouths, right? So a little bit of a reverse type of thing. Blind. You got this horse leading the way. She follows him. Oh, look. Maybe the introduction of a gold standard. This gold plate. Oh, this guy's he's hitting his head on a pillow here. And then look at this, dude. She looks like a vampire, right? And you know what we in terms of the speculative people out there, the tinfoil hat people, you know why she would probably be looking like a vampire, right? Wearing all pink and stuff. Alright, so a little bit of visual stuff, a little bit of a, you know, Jodorowsky type of ripoff stuff right here. Not ripoff, but homage, and then like Color of Pomegranates type of stuff, right? I don't know if you ever seen that movie, Color of Pomegranates. She's covering her mouth, right? The Umbrella Corporation coming down. So there's this whole accident. Oh yeah, this one was trippy. So look at what's in her hands right here, right? She has, she puts, let me see if we can get to it really quick. Oh man. Okay, so yeah, she puts the doll in a box. What do you think that means, right? Oh man, just classic stuff here. Scary face mask that she has here. Red nails. She's got the X on her finger right here. There's an X on that ring right there. She's doing X like symbols with her hands. More gold stuff. Alright. Moving forward. I know this isn't what we were planning on talking about, guys. I get it. Alright, so turns out this is all like some surrealist interpretation of an accident that she was in. Notice the gold plate that's right behind her. But then yeah, she ends up waking up to, oh yeah, by the way, this symbol that's on her head right there looks like if you flip it upside down, looks like the Monero logo, right? Who else knows what that could be, man? I mean, I'm not trying to say it is the Monero logo. So then you see that she was just like picking up subconsciously through the trauma of her accident, you know. That's what the video was. Like she was like in some other bridge between life and death right here, and just picking up subconsciously everything that happened during this accident. As you can see, like that's the whole scene right there. But yeah, I mean, there's been some crazy stuff going on, without a doubt, with these pop stars, and you know, just the way their music videos are, or in film too. There's a lot of subconscious things in film, a lot of symbolism. I mean, they're paying millions upon millions of dollars to make these videos, so they're gonna make sure whatever messages they have that they're trying to put out there, you know, whatever messages they have that they're trying to put out there are going to be made sure, and it's going to be picked up subconsciously, right? And that's what happens in our reality. That's what they're kind of saying in that video, is like, you know, what your reality is what you're picking up subconsciously, right? It's those things that you really aren't really paying attention to, but your mind is, right? Your mind's picking it up. But anyways, guys, long tangent aside. Lady Enigma, I hear you. That's true. Go deep, go deep, go deeper than Crypto Mike. RPM. No, Crypto Mike's really good at that, man. Yeah, that's the Baphomet. Yeah, exactly, Illybang, you know. Nice earring, though. I love the pearls. Yeah, the pearls did look nice. Oh, shit. Yeah, there you go, RPM. That's true. The Pope used to wear red shoes. Wow. You guys are like... Yeah, Wizard... I mean, well, they consider... Illybang, they considered Wizard of Oz as, like, one of those, like... It's like the classic film of, like, a mind control process, of an MK Ultra type of process, right? And, I mean, there's just a lot of symbolism in that film, in Wizard of Oz. It's so crazy because it's passed off as, like, this very family-friendly adventure, but there's just so many symbols in there that it's just like, whoa, this is more about, like, trauma and almost multiple personality disorder as well, and facing your own demons and stuff, seeing what's behind the red curtain, right? Seeing reality, MK Ultra type of stuff, mind controls type of stuff. But anyways, I don't want to get into that too much, guys. Let's get back into the world of crypto here. Let's check out HBAR. Guys, you're amazing, man. I'm happy I can just say this type of stuff, and then you guys are like still like, yeah, dude, talk about that, please, please. RPM, yeah, Oz Badcord says Zoe. Exactly, man. Lady Enigma, I mean, I've thought about that, but then I'd be like just trying to manage all these channels, and then I have like such a tunnel vision type of way of like, when I get into something, it's like the one, like a similar to what Crypto Pioneer was saying, like, it's like when he gets into this like one thing, he really gets into one thing, but he does a lot of things at the same time. But when he's into that one thing, he's really into it, and then maybe when he moves on to the next thing, get more into it, right? But anyways, back to the David Guetta. Give me a second, you guys. I mean, Illybang, I don't know if that scene is true or not, if it's fake or real, but you know, Hollywood already does enough kind of sketchy things in general outside of that, right? So whether that's true or not would just be kind of adding like another stone to the pile. But here we go. David Guetta secures deal with crypto-centered VR platform. Sensorium Galaxy, a not yet released virtual reality platform, has signed famous French DJ David Guetta. The platform hosts its own ERC20 token known as Senso. In a similar fashion to in-game currencies like Fortnite's V-Bucks, Senso is used for all value transactions within the Sensorium Galaxy. Sensorium Corporation's deputy CEO of IR, Blockchain and Technology, told Cointelegraph, while that is the first blockchain application in our alternative universe, we're working on other applications of the distributed ledger technology. One application we're currently exploring, users will save their profiles on the platform. Unlike other social VR platforms, Sensorium Galaxy avatars are powered by artificial intelligence, meaning that they identify behavioral patterns of their users and can act autonomously based on that learning. As time goes by, avatars become a surprisingly accurate virtual representation of oneself. That said, saving that profile on the blockchain will provide higher security and immutability. Guetta expressed excitement in working with Sensorium, explaining that the platform is much better than current standards screen-based event viewing methods. According to his comments in a press statement, Expected to hit the market in the first half of 2021, Sensorium touts funding from former Brooklyn owner Russian billionaire Mikhail Prokhorov, as well as Tidal, a subscription media streaming platform owned and revamped by celebrity rapper Jay-Z. Sensorium told Tidal a share of the platform's Senso tokens, valuing at $7 million total. The statement said, the VR platform positions itself as a digital ecosystem in which participants can interact with each other via concerts and participate in other activities, all represented by self-created digital formations of themselves. Sensorium will boast shows constructed by Guetta, who already has adapted to the digital world in a year plagued by the situation we're in and subsequent restrictive measures. The DJ has worked multiple highly trafficked live stream events for the situation we're in, and funding in 2020, including a Miami-based live stream show in April. As the first step in this multi-level collaboration, he will create a series of exclusive performances for Sensorium's alternative universe that can be accessed solely through Senso tokens, the statement said of Guetta. As for the rationale behind creating its own token for the platform instead of simply using Bitcoin, he noted the flexibility, security, and compatibility. The Ethereum network is by far one of the most popular blockchains on the market, supported by nearly all cryptocurrency wallet providers, exchanges, etc. He explained, which means users can more easily use and store the asset. Moreover, the Ethereum network offers much faster transactions than Bitcoin. He added smart contracts have also played a decisive role in the development of Senso, since they help build trust and enhance transparency for end users. Sensorium, however, does expect to move off the Ethereum blockchain onto its own native network at some point in the future. So yeah, they're saying Ethereum's good enough for now, but they see the shortcomings with it, right? Guetta is not the first music industry celebrity to move into the crypto space. Several other players have interacted with the industry in other form of another. Gene Simmons, a rock star, I guess, as well. But yeah, I certainly hope we're not going into this area where we're going to virtual digital concerts just because we can't go out. Come on, man. Let's just go out. Let's go see these people live, man. It's going to be crazy because this is going to continue to develop and it won't stop. You know, they're going to try to make virtual concerts definitely a thing that's on demand. So you can just keep staying at home and keep getting entertained by the awesome electronics that you have in front of you, right? I miss going out, man. I miss going out to events, hanging out with people. I miss going to concerts. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta check my internet. Ms. C, I miss life. I feel you. I miss life as well. That's crazy. That's a good one. Give me a sec. I'm getting a little bit of a plug into the Matrix. Exactly, legendary. Oh man, what a mess. What a mess. All right, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, not a pro trader by any means. I mean, I think that's been a given after every video that I've posted, but always got to remind y'all. Yeah. How quickly rumors spread as truth. Yep. That's true. All right, guys. So, what are we looking at next? Let's go to let's go to VeChain. Let's see what Vet's up to. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hitting those likes. Let me know if I'm glitching out, by the way. Yeah, dude. VeChain, do or die time coming very soon. A lot of buying pressure and a lot of selling pressure around this range. Hopefully, from VeChain very soon. It should be coming somewhere before, the second week of October. We got to see what's going to end up happening from there. It's getting close to the end right here for VeChain. I think everybody's internet has had lags. Ah, okay, for sure, Ms. C. Selling pressure is still around the same point. Technicals are saying, let me see. Technicals aren't even working. Dude, my internet. Oh, man. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to work on this. I don't want to keep worrying about my internet. Give me a sec. All right. Hopefully that's better for y'all. Guys, thanks for your patience. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. How's everyone doing? Oh, by the way, I noticed. Why is it not there? Huh. Do I not have a jar? There we go. What's happening here, man? My technicals are all screwed now. I wish they had I'm sure they have a coffee cup one, that's for sure. There we go. I think we're back. Let me know if I'm coming through all right. Hopefully, guys. All right. So let's get into it. We're looking at VeChain right here. VeChain, do or die time, basically. At the end of the day, the charts look really nice. Super deep point of retracement. Testing a former point of resistance. Treating it as support you have in its history. This has been an accumulation zone for VeChain. Let's see what ends up happening. And hopefully we get another run up similar to what we had right here from June 28th all the way up till July 8th. Let's see what these next 10 days, maybe next 2 weeks can bring for us with VeChain. And hopefully maybe we can even try to make our way up going into November back up to 2.6 for VeChain, and hell man, maybe even touching 3 cents. That would be great. Guys, let me know if I'm back, by the way. Hopefully I'm not glitching out. RPM, I have 70 cryptos and none pump. Exactly, dude. Yeah, right? Oh man, I hope I'm not glitching out. That would suck. How am I doing, guys? Okay so far. Thank you, Legendary. Thanks for the reassurance there, dude. Alright, so let's get into another piece of news. We got about 2 more pieces of news, guys. Hopefully we can make it through. Hopefully the internet will push through with us for it. But here we go. IBMR launches Algorand-powered micro-equity exchange for financial inclusivity. The International Blockchain Monetary Reserve a microfinance economic development agency, today launched what it claimed to be the world's first microequity exchange, MESE.io, according to a press release sent to AMB Crypto. The platform, which runs on Algorand blockchain, so it's being used, protocol and ChainUp's cloud exchange technology, will allow users to trade global tech stocks through a digital tokenization model. This would mean that shares of traditional equity will be divided into individual 1 to 10,000 microequity tokens of representative value. The agency hopes to create a microfinance equity market through the model in an effort to further market stability while also bringing about financial inclusivity to developing emerging markets. In fact, according to the managing director of IBMR, this move isn't meant to fractionalize the current system. Instead, it will help create newer financial opportunities at emerging market levels. We are aiming to advance microfinance by moving beyond microloans into microequity that can create wealth regardless of socioeconomic standing. Blockchain technologies allow for this by removing much of the overhead of financial, administrative, and infrastructure costs that prevent value from being accumulated at the microfinance level. MESE will open its trading and technology stocks such as the Metang Group, which includes Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Twitter, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. Interestingly, MESE.io will be made available for users in the non-US jurisdictions since it focuses on developing markets across the globe. The present development is just the latest for Algorand, one of the industry's more popular blockchain protocols. In fact, just a few weeks ago, Center Consortium made Algorand one of the 2 official blockchains for USDC. Before that, Algorand was chosen to power the world's first national digital currency for the Marshall Islands. So, definitely looking forward to the future of Algo, and always like hearing that their protocol is being used, especially as an investor and, supporter of the Algo community out there. Good to see the International Blockchain Monetary Reserve deciding to build a microfinance economy on top of Algorand. I think the future is very bright for Algo, already listed on Coinbase, and I really think there's still so much more room to grow for that project in particular. Johnny Morales and RPM, you guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Thanks for the support, as always. Guys, I'm happy I'm coming. So it seems like I'm coming through just fine again. We got 10 viewers. We lost our viewers for a second there. 14 likes. You guys are amazing. Thanks so much. Let me try to move this light a little bit closer here so I don't look like I'm in the dark over here. Get a little bit of a Rembrandt light right here. But anyways, what's up, y'all? How's it going? Alright, let's check out... Let's see where Tron's at. Or no, Singularity. Let's go to AGI, because I feel like AGI was around, like, rejection zones, right? Yep. Alright, so AGI trying its hardest right now to provide some buying pressure to creep back in. You're still around that golden retrace zone. You still have a chance to come back up above this line and break out towards the upside and maybe try to go to 7 cents for AGI. And let's certainly hope so, man. You've been, let me see. Yeah, around this level, you're creating a newer low, which is good from the previous low right here. That's very encouraging to see. And let's see if Algorand, or if AGI is in fact creating a symmetrical triangle right here. And that ultimately could lead to some bullish momentum, considering that it's continuation from bullish momentum. And a big time symmetrical triangle like this, man, going back from August 23rd, I think AGI is going to be set to burst pretty soon. I think we will cross this river, make our way up to about 7 cents, 6.9, and then that's where we're going to see right there for AGI is for real, because you'll probably be getting a triple top at this point. You're going to want to break out in a significant way here for AGI. Break past the resistance and close above 7 cents at around 7.5 at least. Maybe 2 cents. I mean 8 cents, you know. So, but if the bearish momentum keeps coming in here, it could take you down to 5.11, and then I wouldn't be surprised from there to maybe start working our way down. Oh snap! Alex D Vlogs. What's up, dude? How's it going, man? Still waiting. Just waiting for the pop. And you made your XRP tokens in the cup. Dude, my man. Thanks for the $1.99 donation. Thanks for your support. Alex D Vlogs in the house. Still waiting. Just waiting for the pop. Go XRP. Come on, man. Come on, XRP. Come on, Quantum Financial System. Let's switch over already. I want my Lambo. I want my wife to stop asking me about how my XRP is doing. I want my children to stop looking at me funny every time I talk about crypto. Man, soon enough, dude, your children are going to be so excited, like so happy, like when they're teenagers and they're like, wow, Dad, you were the first to adopt digital assets? You're like the coolest dude. How did you even know, man? And then he's like, simple, son. And then he just like presses play on a song, and then you just start hearing, I told you those bulls were coming. Start hearing XRP bags playing all of a sudden, right? And then he plays his own song. He plays "We Don't Give a Fuck What You Do with Your Money," and your children will be teenagers by then, so they can hear that word, you know. We don't give a fuck what you do with your money. Illy Bank, I will name my first child X, the next one R, and the next one P. And it's got to be crafty, right? Like the first kid will be like Xavier or like, you know, Sasha or something with the X, and they'll never know that they're like three, like their initials, like the first starting letters of each of their name, like Xavier, Robert, and Priscilla or something, right? Or Paul, Xavier, Robert, if it's like three boys. And then you just like, yo, XRP, come over here. They're like, Dad, stop calling us in the name of the digital asset you just got filthy rich off of. Come on. Exactly, Alex D Vlogs. So funny, man. Guys, 13 viewers, 14 likes. Let's try to get to 20 likes, guys. Come on. I know we can do it. Come on, Blue Crew. Where you at? Where you at, Blue Crew? What's up, everybody? I mean, that's what we're doing, man. Every day we're here. We're seeing what the next step towards mass adoption is. The next step towards that pop that Alex D Vlogs is looking forward to. I'm liking Singularity here, man. I think it's going to break out towards the upside. MACD looking really good. The RSI not looking too bad. Let me see where we are. Just around the VWAP. Let's get some bullish pressure right here for AGI, and let's burst up towards 7 cents. And then hopefully beyond, man. Let's start closing at around 8 cents. Let's start introducing the next phase of this bull market for AGI. I mean, guys, look at this. Look at the chart for AGI. It's clearly broken multi-year resistances. It's clearly in its next cycle. And this sideways symmetrical triangle right here is forming. It's ready. It's going to be ready to pop at any time. I mean, you have up until the end of October to really see what the outcome of this is going to be. Is it going to be breaking towards the downside? How far? Maybe down to 3 cents, and then maybe that's where we see our bounce or point of accumulation, if that's the worst that it can get. But feeling pretty good that it's going to be a continuation towards the upside. It's going to be very interesting to see what ends up happening very soon with AGI. Loving some Singularity.net. I've been hearing some people are saying some announcements are going to be coming very soon for AGI, and this would be in perfect timing with where this symmetrical triangle is coming to an end. So we'll see what ends up happening here for AGI. Could also be a channel that it's in right here. I was going from wick to wick, but if you go from close to close here, could be having a parallel channel. Right? So that's what it could also look like right here for AGI. But usually when you have a continuation from bullish momentum and it goes sideways like this, it usually decides to break out towards the upside. Let's certainly hope that we don't triple top. If we do triple top, then could be game over, man. and ready to move on towards the downside. So let's not triple top. Let's break out of this convincingly. Sunny Boy saying, I'm ready for AGI, man. GDLT, I named one of my daughters after an ex-girlfriend. Don't tell it. Dude, Dave Shack. You're trusting me with that secret, man? That means a lot. That's crazy, dude. But I hear you, man. We get sentimental after certain things, right? That's crazy, man. Must have been a beautiful name. GDLT needs to take away the charts and make his signal drawings an art book. Exactly, dude. I know, man. I should just, like, screenshot all of these, right? I mean, I still have a screenshot of our Gohan call. If XRP does break out towards the upside, we start going to 50 cents. Hell, man, even $1. That Gohan call is going to be the thing. I still have a screenshot of that, so. And this could be the next one right here for AGI. I mean, you got a lower low, possibly creating your higher low right here. Let's start swinging to the fences, man. Let's start to erupt right here for AGI. This could be our next Gohan call right here in the making. I mean, especially even right here, too. Low, low, new low. Come on, let's go. Blast off, right? Alrighty, guys. We got 2 more pieces of news, and then we're going to be wrapping up the DLT crypto charts and news live stream. You guys are amazing. Thanks for you guys' support. We're so close to 20 likes. Amazing, guys. Almost reaching that on average now on these live stream, and it's because of you guys, the blue crew out there, and the lurkers, and the people who are thinking about subscribing and maybe not thinking about subscribing because, you know, whatever they like to do. But thank you guys. All of you guys are important in making this channel happen and increasing the exposure out there, you know, bringing the good times to other communities out there, right? So let's get into it, man. So stellar partner Stripe leads $12 million funding round for Filipino startup PayMongo. Where are my Filipinos out there? I know we got some in the blue crew. I know we do. Legendary Dave, what's up, man? How you doing? Almost to 20s. MC, almost to 20 likes. DLT, yeah, dude. McDonald's actually had a burger called the Mac DLT. No way, dude. What? He separated the meat from the vegetables, said keep the cold side cold and the hot side hot. Genius. What, dude? No way. I didn't know that. That's crazy. Oh, here we go. We got our Filipinos jumping in, man. Alex D Vlogs. Filipino! Dude, it's funny, man. I don't know how it happens, but I always, like, I'm a Cuban guy, so, but even when I was younger, I had a Filipino friend in elementary school. I was friends with, like, 2 Filipinos then as well. And it's just crazy, man. I guess the Cubans and Filipinos get along well, without a doubt. But guys, you're amazing. 19 viewers, 20 likes. Let's check out what Stripe XLM partner, stellar partner, is doing. Leading a $12 million funding round for Filipino startup PayMongo. Filipino online payments firm PayMongo has raised $12 million in a Series A funding round led by US giant Stripe and joined by Y Combinator, Global Founders Capital, and Bedrock Capital. Launched a little over a year ago, PayMongo provided a platform that makes it easy for merchants to get paid online. The firm says that it's seen transaction volume soar since the situation that we're in happened, with thousands of firms signing up to its products and services as they seek to move online during this situation we're in. The new funding will be used to roll out new products and build up PayMongo's product design and engineering teams. Noah Pepper, business lead at APAC Stripe, says, "We've been impressed with PayMongo team and the speed at which they've made digital payments more accessible for so many businesses across the Philippines. We fully support their vision to bring many more Filipino businesses online. Given the disruption caused by the situation we're in, a service like theirs is simply vital for the country's business and economic future." And guys, man, I think, you know, countries like the Philippines here, areas like the Philippines, like Africa, like Mexico, all these areas are just going to boom big time once we get them all online, right? Once we're able to all make digital payments, cross-border payments, all be on the same level playing field, all being part of that internet of value, that global economy, the globalization effect. Interested to see what's going to happen for these countries, and especially traveling to these countries, because with economic success or economic growth, you're going to also have more tourism, accelerated tourism, thus more, more business as well from that tourism. It's just a win-win when you're enabling digitization and faster payments, without a doubt. Mr. A in the house. What's up, Mr. A? How you doing, dude? As long as you give us food, we good with you. Exactly, Lady Enigma. Exactly. So that's what it's all about. You guys just like the Cuban food. Okay, I get it. Mr. A, common ancestors, the Spanish side. Oh yeah, there you go. Mr. A in the house, everybody. Mr. A. What's up, dude? Joey loves food. But guys, Stripe, no, like, this is another, part of the XLM ecosystem. I'm sure they have their hands with Ripple, with Ripple as well. They have tested Ripple. There has been their name has been connected to Ripple as well. So with Stripe leading this funding round and providing, faster payments in the Philippines, it's going to be a big deal. And this is like, kind of a Trojan horse, right? Stripe being part of that XLM ecosystem. And it's not saying Stellar is leading this funding round or enabling faster payments in the Philippines, but this is basically what that would mean if Stripe is getting involved here with this investment in PayMongo and enabling digital payments to the Philippines, right? Guys, we hit 20 likes. Unreal. What? Thank you, guys. You're amazing. Wow. You guys make this channel happen, man. Thank you guys so much. Oh, are we done? Is it done with there we go. Oh, I guess I need to change up the music here. You know what? Illybang, is it cool if we play some of your tunes again, man? Can you send me a link of maybe a song you want us to listen to? I'm gonna just go to XRP Bags' YouTube really quick. But yeah, man, if you got the link, let me know. Yeah, Illybang, whatever, man. Just let me know and share the link, and we'll check it out. I'm gonna play TikTok first from XRP Bags and in collaboration with Lady Enigma. Oh, there we go, Illybang. Thank you, man. I'll have that loaded up. All right. What's another crypto we're looking at, guys? Zilliqa? Let's check out. Zilliqa's a sleeping giant, without a doubt. All right, so you had your retracement from the initial impulse up. You had a fat green engulfing candle right here, which is good to see. I think Tezos can maybe even try to branch out, or not Tezos, Zilliqa could even try to branch out to 178, possibly. You could be touching the top of the channel right here. I think you have enough Gusta, though, to take you to 177, 0177 for Zilliqa before maybe seeing if it's going to get rejected there or break back into the channel and start taking us up to even higher targets, perhaps around, 2 cents, 2.2. Zilliqa's been going sideways as well, in a similar fashion than what we were just looking at here with AGI. And if it wants to go back to the top of this channel, your top of the channel is at around 2.5 cents. From 168 to 2.5 cents, that's a pretty good gain right there. I mean, it's going to take some patience, of course, down the line. But if it doesn't get rejected right here soon enough, we're going to see what Zilica is all about right here. Still not out of the woods just yet, though, with Zilica. Still not out of the woods, and let's see how this daily candle closes. MACD looks okay. The R side looks pretty good, though, and the technicals are saying it's a buy. Oscillators are saying it's neutral. I'm in my XRP castle. Guys, 23 likes. Whoa, now we're having a like spike here. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Clock ticking like TikTok. Oh, Legendary Dave, dude. Thanks for sharing this link. Let me check it out. Yes, dude. Jason Alexander. Such a musical. It offers a response to the Whopper. Keep the hot side hot and the cool side cool. Oh my god, dude. Really? This is crazy, man. So McDonald's already subliminally getting us ready around 1985 for distributed ledger technologies, right? They're like saying, hey, it's coming. Perhaps. Alright, well that was XRP Bags, the man, the myth, the legend, with our very own Lady Enigma. We'll get back to that music soon, but let's check out some Illybang. He's been posting up some awesome music here on the channel, and we appreciate it. Thanks for letting us play this, man. And, you know, loving the music too, man. Good variety. Let's check out this one. I don't know if you got to check out that Amog Symphony Band. I mean, they're a little bit more on the super heavy metal side, but, you know, the kind of tech aspects that you have in the fills that you do in your stuff, or at least in the previous songs that we listened to, kind of remembered me that too. Or reminded me of that. Alright, so here we go. Illybang with Heavy Groove, Incomplete. Alright, guys. Hell yeah, man. I'm digging this. Let me know if that's a good volume for the music. Lady Enigma. This has like some vibes of what's that band? Dang, man, what's their thing? Deftones. There we go. It has that Deftones vibe. It's dope, man. A little bit of that Cell Dweller vibe, too. Hell yeah, Legendary, man. Alex D Vlogs? No, it's just a song from Illybang, man. A member of the crypto community who's making some cool music, man. Alright. So, Qcoin hacker moves $4.5 million of stolen XRP. Following a series of smaller transactions, the malicious actor behind the Qcoin hack has moved 18 million of XRP. So before, guys, I was like, man, hackers don't seem to be wanting to steal XRP, but it looks like I was wrong. And here we are. $4.5 million worth of XRP stolen. 18 million of it, you guys. That is crazy. So the hacker responsible for the recent attack on crypto exchange KuCoin moved $4.5 million of stolen XRP tokens in one transaction today, according to Whale Alert, a Twitter bot that tracks notable crypto transfers. No, dude, all good, Illy Bang. I think I just put up the volume maybe a little bit too loud, but it's all good. Dude, that was an awesome track though, man. Thanks for sharing. And looking forward to the next one, man. As always. Good stuff, my man. Alright, let me see. Maybe this is a good level for the tunes. There we go. Sounds like Tool. Yeah, Dave Shack. I mean, I love Tool too, man. Tool's a great band. I've seen them live. Oh, for sure, Illy Bang. No worries, man. We're about to wrap this up as well. As usual, around the 12 o'clock hour. So KuCoin hacker moves $4.5 million of stolen XRP. The hacker responsible for the recent attack on crypto exchange KuCoin moved $4.5 million of stolen XRP tokens in one transaction today. According to Whale Alert, a Twitter bot that tracks notable crypto transfers, a total of 18.49 million XRP, currently worth $4.5 million, has been transferred today in one fell swoop. After arriving at their destination, the tokens were broken up into two parts, 1.35 million XRP and 7.14 million XRP respectively, and sent onto two different crypto wallets. Prior to this large transfer, the hacker also facilitated a series of relatively small transactions in various cryptocurrencies. In the past 6 hours alone, another 12 transfers from the KuCoin Hack 2020 address has been made, ranging from $11,000 to $1.5 million of stolen assets. Combined with XRP transaction, the hacker has moved a total of $9.696 million in crypto today. A Decrypt reported cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin was hacked on September 25th. At the time, the platform stated that Bitcoin, ERC20, and other tokens in KuCoin's hot wallets were transferred out of the exchange, worth $200 million. After the hack, various blockchain projects quickly reacted and froze 2/3 of the stolen assets, or at least said they would, but many funds are still slipping through the cracks. And so is this XRP still slipping into the cracks? Do these hackers hodl a significant amount of XRP? And what's going to be happening with that significant amount of XRP? Is Ripple or XRPL going to decide to freeze those accounts? Is it going to decide to burn it? What is going to be the response, right? But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another DLT Charts and News live stream. Good having you all here. Let me give you guys a preview of the news we went over today, and then we're going to wrap it up by looking at the XRP chart just one more time. Merchants accepting Bitcoin payments are attracting more clients. Regulated U.S. exchange Gemini now offers confidential Zcash withdrawals. How the crypto industry seesaws between assets and infrastructure. David Guetta secures deal with crypto-centered VR platform. IBMR launches Algorand powered micro equity exchange for financial inclusivity. Stripe leads $12 million funding round for Filipino startup PayMongo. KuCoin hacker moves $4.5 million of stolen XRP. And of course, we were looking at the charts, guys. So let's check out XRP. Let's check out what's going on in the chat. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. And unbelievable, man. 23 likes on a crypto charts and news stream. You guys rock. Let's wrap this up. So like we said, possibly meeting a rejection point here, certain point of resistance. If it can break through this, man, then we could break through the channel ultimately, and let's get a strong breakout towards the upside. I do expect that maybe we do get another retracement soon, maybe down to around 22 or 24, 23, 4, 5, somewhere around there, and then maybe we try to break out from this, descending channel that we're in. It is pretty symmetrical descending channel right here. So hopefully we don't end up breaking towards the downside, getting rejected right here. We want it to continue towards the upside. We've created a new low. Let's do this right here. It's make or break time for a lot of these cryptos, and I'm looking forward to seeing what happens with XRP. Oscillators looking okay. Indicators looking okay. It's just make or break time for XRP. Do you want to break this former point of resistance, which was once, or a former point of former support, which is now resistance? Or are you going to let that bearish pressure keep dragging you down and start a new impulse all the way down to possibly 20 cents for XRP? Well, yeah, let's get our faces melted, right? Let's get faces melted. Let's break out towards the upside right here with XRP. Let's get ready for the next good one, guys. Appreciate you all tuning in. Thank you. BTC community, XRP community, Kava community, XDC community, Link community, DLT community, crypto community, all the communities out there. You guys are amazing, man. Day in, day out, we're educating ourselves, seeing what that next step ahead, seeing what the current day steps are providing. The future is bright. And remember, guys, I'll never tell you guys what to do. I'll just tell you guys what's up. And what is up is Tomo in the past hour, Engine, XDC, YRX token, and then Fusion, Storage, Tomo in the past 24 hours, Zilliqa doing things as well. Let's see what ends up happening, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for tuning in, as always. Much love to y'all. Adios. You ain't heard the birdie, you ain't get it early. See that rocket blasting, who you think stirring? I see you on the ground, all I hear is cheering. But your face melted off, all I see is sneering.